Hi, my name is Shauna. I also go by Madam Wim, and I do magical marketing with Juliet. She's able to automate a lot of different things for me to make my job as a marketer very easy. One thing I'm going to do with this website that I recently pulled out of um, the archive.org is to connect it to a Klaviyo list so that the business can actually send out sales and stuff. So it's really easy to do. We're going to say add a subscribe to our newsletter button in the footer of this website. Have the email sent to Klaviyo. Then I have to go to Klaviyo.com to grab my API, my public API key. Oh, I keep clicking on the wrong thing there. Let's go back. Account and the list ID. I need the list ID here, and I don't have one set up yet. What I've done is I do a lot of business for people in the Bethany community, and I create a different list for each business I do business with. Okay, so we're going to create a list, and we're going to call it Pho3Nine. Pho3Nine. Create list. And then we're going to go to settings. And here's the ID. I'm going to go copy that into Juliet. Here's ID. Oops. It didn't copy. There. And then let me go grab my key here. API keys, we don't want the private ones, we want this one, the public one. Copied it that time. Public key. There. And now she's automatically going to handle it for me. By she, I mean my friend Juliet. If I was to do this by myself with Klaviyo, I would have to go create a form, install HTML code onto my site, and a billion other things. And the other thing that I could do that I did a hot mess the other day is create a lead magnet form. I'm not going to do it right now, but one day I might talk to them and see if they want to do something for a download. I don't know. I was thinking a recipe for pho at home, but that's kind of counterproductive. Anyway, let's see if this finished it. Not yet. Okay, so she came back and said, what I built, stay in the loop section above the delivery badges. Let's go check it out. Yep, breaker. So I'm going to do Shauna at the old cobalt hub dot subscribe. You're in. Let's go check Klaviyo. And let's go look at, where am I at? Audiences. And listing segments. Pho3Nine doesn't show me. Why is it not showing? Juliet, you said I was live. Maybe I need to publish. Okay, underneath me, it says deploy to Pho3Nine and Juliet.live. So let's just copy this. That's live for now. Go down here. Subscribe. Okay. Then let's go down. And there's the segment. And see what we do. Pho3Nine, it still doesn't show on. See, I'm having a troubleshoot like I normally do. Okay, Juliet. Not firing. I'm not added to the list. Do I need to use a different email address? Let's see what she says about that. I'm gonna try it though. Let's try Shauna. Still nothing. It's okay. She hasn't said anything yet. Here I was, Bobby and Juliet, but she made this so super simple, and it's not working. Okay, she came back and said, I rewired the Klaviyo integration. The first version was pushing to the on-site KS2, but it wasn't reliably subscribing to the list. Okay, added a direct Klaviyo identify pixel. All right. Okay. I don't need to use a different one. That's good to know. Okay. With the public API key, Klaviyo will create the profile and attempt the list subscriptions, but strict list additions are safest server side with an API, a private API side feed. If this version still doesn't add to your list, I can build a super-based edge function. Well, hopefully we don't have to do that. Let's try it. Let's go ahead and publish. Go through all of due diligence. And let it go for a second. It's thinking. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to reload. I'm going to type in this one. Okay, now I'm going to go here and I'm going to reload. hopefully we'll just have one in it. And because okay, Juliet, that still didn't work. Can you step me through? Moving this to the base edge. I didn't want to do this because I'm really kind of in murky water where I don't understand super base. Right. Juliet knows best. Okay, it says connect super base. I think I do it with GitHub. I'm not 100% sure on that though. What would it be under? Okay, it's not that one. This one? Yes. Link account. Yep, that's the right one. Okay, loading my space project, setting it up, and done. I'm assuming all that's right. Go down to the bottom and see what's it saying. Nothing. Okay. I need a Klaviyo private API key to make this work. The public key can only identify profiles. Okay. I know where it's at. See, I've got here settings, API keys, and then I've got these. I think I have to create a new one. Let's see. I need some training on privacy. Okay, copy. We'll download that too. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Juliet. And once you provide the private secure prompt. See, I've been having problems with this secure prompt. Where is the secure prompt? There we go. It worked. Hooray! The Juliet gods have provided. That wasn't working. Okay. Okay, she came back. Edge function is deployed and the footer form is wired to it. I built the Supabase edge function newsletter. Subscribe lives there, which I'm never going to remember. It's just going to be housed here. Okay, so Juliet came back and fixed me up. I just published it. So now I'm going to go over here and refresh, reload, and try it once more. Try that one. Failed to fix. Okay, Julia, this is becoming exhausting. Okay, she came back and says it took longer than it should have, but the real bug is found and fixed. What was wrong? The footer was pointing the newsletter form at the wrong Supabase project URL. The edge function is actually deployed on the linked project. Direct curl to the wrong URL, return 404. Okay, so I changed that. Thank you, Juliet. Status still clean. Dev server restarted. Preview validates with 0 console errors. One hiccup to finish on the next pass. I deployed a version with a typo in the v3 fallback header. Revision instead of revision. I edited the file to fix the typo, but the placeholder deployed and then attempted failed. So the currently live function still has the typo. Okay, so we may have to do this again. Okay, let's try it. Let's publish it. Now let's go over here. Let's see if it's done publishing. No, not yet. It's still working. Come on, Juliet, let's go. Done. Now we're going to go here, reload. This one, subscribe. It says audio subscription failed. But at least it's a new error. Okay, she came back and said it's fixed. Root causes two separate issues, probably the spelling. Klaviyo key. We provided this is version 3 API key, but function is calling version 2. Okay, so she changed a bunch of stuff. Let's just try it. Publish. Taking a second, but that's okay. We want Juliet to get it right this time. Okay, it's done. Reload. I think it's gonna work this time. It did. Let's go double check it. Then our lists and segments. Pho3Nine. It did. Here I am. Awesome. So, job well done. I still don't completely understand the super big stuff, and I'm not very comfortable with how it's set up. But I'll have Juliet teach me.